Alright, so hype alert, and today we're going to talk about Lattafa Asad Zanzibar, which is this one. Now, this is getting a lot of hype in fragrance community because of the entire scent profile. That is the first thing. And the second thing here is that this is their take on multiple perfumes. This is what I could interpret from the entire scent profile. This is not your typical one perfume alternative. This is what I felt. And the other reason, like one more reason of this one getting hype, is because this is a flanker of Lattafa Asad, which was extremely popular clone of Dior Sauvage Elixir. So that was probably the very first clone of Sauvage Elixir in the market. That is the reason it got a lot of hype. Now I believe there is one more perfume by Lattafa, in the Asad line, which is a pink bottle. I don't know what the name of that perfume or what exactly that perfume is a clone of, but then yeah, that is there. So we're gonna talk about this one. Let's talk about the presentation first. The box is okay. I mean, just a normal cardboard box, nothing unusual about it. So I have not shown the box in the video. We'll talk about the bottle. This is how the bottle looks like, and the presentation is pretty much good. This thing came off, when I opened it. So when I opened the box, it was like this. It is fine. I mean, it fits very nicely, so it is totally fine. The cap here is good. It fits like this, and you'll be able to hold the bottle like this, so it is good. The sprayer is good. Just look at it. So it sprays in a very nice manner. You get a nice mist, and that's it. That's about the presentation. Now, yeah, this is a plastic thing. I mean, it may look a little bit metal kind of thing, but then it is plastic. So this perfume, as soon as you spray this, is going to remind you of 3 perfumes, and this is what I personally feel. I don't know what other people think. So the first one is going to be Kilian's Angel Share. The nuttiness, the gourmand side of this fragrance is going to remind you of Kilian's Angel Share. That is the first perfume. The second perfume is going to be Phantom by the house of Paco Rabanne. So the freshness, the citrusy thing, the fruity vibes that you get from this perfume is going to remind you of Paco Rabanne's Phantom. And the cleaner side of this perfume is going to remind you of 40 Knots by Xerjoff. So I feel this is an amalgamation of these 3 perfumes done in a very smart manner, because all these perfumes are extremely famous. Phantom got a little bit of hate because of the bottle, but then in my opinion, the perfume is still amazing. And maybe that is the reason they picked a few notes out of that perfume and kept it inside this one. Now, let me read the official notes of this perfume. So on the top notes, you'll get lavender, black pepper. In the mid, you're gonna get coconut, iris, and salt. And in the dry down, that is in the base notes, you're gonna get vanilla and incense. Now I understand that the notes are completely different from the 3 perfumes that I mentioned, but then if you have sniffed those perfumes, and if you sniff this one, you'll know what I'm trying to say. And I am pretty sure what I'm smelling in this one, so give it a try. Overall, the performance of this one is pretty much good, and like I've said, this is this is a complex perfume. So this, I feel, is not for a specific season or event or occasion. This is the kind of DNA that they have made is best for almost every season, every occasion. You can wear this anytime, anywhere, and overall, it's a safe blind buy. I mean, even if you're doing a blind buy on this perfume, this is a safe one because it is not going to offend anyone. So it's not like your typical oud and sandalwood and musk kind of perfumes. This is still going to be good. You can wear it at the gym, you can wear it at a party, you can wear it in the date night, and the notes are going to compensate each other in a manner that it is going to fit for every occasion. So again, this is my personal observation. Now, if you spray like I spray, that is 15-16 sprays before going out somewhere, this is going to last for good 8 to 9 hours on your clothes. And once again, the performance is subjective. It is subjective to how many sprays you do. It is subjective to your skin chemistry. It is subjective to where you wear it. It is subjective to the atmosphere where you wear it. So let's say if you're sitting in an AC, you're going to get good performance. If you're going outside or in the sunlight or stuff like that, this is not going to perform. I mean, no perfume is going to perform. So just an heads up, for the people who are crying over the longevity thing, not every perfume is going to perform the same on everyone. It totally depends. It is a subjective thing. Just an heads up. So should you buy this one? I'll say definitely yes, because it is an extremely safe to wear. So this is pretty much inexpensive, and I feel that even if you're doing a blind buy, it is pretty much good. Instead, I'll mention the seller's detail in the description. You can check them out. Is this worth the hype? I'll say absolutely yes. They've done an amazing job with this one, and you know, I am pretty sure that they are going to milk this one out, and trust me, they are going to come up with Asad Oud as well. You know, just take a screenshot of this video, and if Lattafa is seeing this, I'm pretty sure that you are going to do that. So be ready for Asad Oud, because this line is getting a lot of hype. So overall, a good one, a good pick, under budget, great presentation, great scent profile, great sprayer, everything is good. 10 by 10 overall, and I definitely recommend this one. We'll see you in the next one, guys.